Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Keto in the Chaos. My name is Tammy, and this is an episode of What to Eat Wednesday. In this video, you'll see everything I ate in the last 7 days on a ketogenic way of eating. I hope that some of these ideas can help you get started on your own ketogenic meal plan. Don't forget to join our Facebook group for support and more information on how you can get started using keto for fat loss.
Hello everyone, it's Wednesday. This is going to be my first meal of the day. I am having 2 fried eggs, 1 ounce of cheese, it's mozzarella cheese fried in a pan, 4 sausages, 1 cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with cranberry raspberry meal, and that is going to be my first meal of the day. Hey everyone, it's Wednesday night and I am having a fall favorite. It is about 155 grams of pumpkin with my hamburger gravy. I will try and link the recipe so that you can find that. It's xanthan gum hamburger gravy with, this time we put onions in it, and 1/6 of a cup of peas and some water chestnuts, and 1 ounce of shredded cheese on top, and that is going to be my last meal of the day. Hello everyone, it's Thursday. I'm at Commonwealth School and this is going to be my first meal of the day. 2 boiled eggs, 1 ounce of cheddar cheese, 4 great value brand sausages, 1 cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with, not my favorite, but it's what I got, strawberry pineapple smash. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. Hello everyone, it is Thursday night and I am having chicken curry with 1/6 of a cup of green peas, and there's some heavy whipping cream in this and onions. Hopefully we'll get the recipe out for this at some point, but right now we don't have a recipe for it, but Dave just kind of throws things together. And that's gonna be my last meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, it's Friday, it's the day of my big photo shoot. I don't want to eat a full breakfast, but I need to eat because I have to be able to make it through a 4-hour photo shoot without eating anything. So I'm just going for 1 cup of yogurt with some cranberry raspberry Mio, my Halloween Mio, and 1 keto cake from www.ketocakesutah.com. They do not ship at the given moment. And of course, a bang. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. All right, everyone, it's 5 o'clock, and I am finally having the rest of my first meal, so I guess my second meal of the day. And so I've got 40 grams of center-cut bacon, 2 fried eggs, and 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese fried in a pan. And that's going to be my second meal of the day. Hey, everyone, it's Friday night, and I am having shredded chicken tacos. I basically use some green enchilada sauce to cook the chicken breasts in and then shred them up. And I have 4 tablespoons of light sour cream, 2 tablespoons of Hatch Valley salsa, 2 ounces of shredded cheese, and 1/2 cup of lettuce, and a few olives. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. It is Saturday, and this is going to be my first meal of the day. I have 4 Great Value brand sausages, 1 ounce of mozzarella cheese fried in a pan, 2 fried eggs, 1 tablespoon of Hatch Valley salsa, and 1 tablespoon of light sour cream, 1 cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with lemonade meal, and that is going to be my first meal of the day. It's Saturday night, and I am having a fall treat. Half a pumpkin, one of these little small pumpkins. It's about 155 grams, with my classic hamburger gravy, and 1 ounce of mozzarella cheese, and that's going to be my last meal of the day. Happy Sunday, everyone! This is my first meal of the day. I just have 2 fried eggs, 1 ounce of shredded cheese. I think this is the cheddar, maybe it's the pizza blend, I can't remember. And 44 grams of center-cut bacon, and 1 cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with lemonade Mio, and that is going to be my first meal of the day. Hello everyone, it's Sunday night and I am having pork chops with xanthan gum gravy and 2 ounces of shredded cheese fried in a pan. I decided to forego veggies for tonight because it's really late. It's after 10 o'clock and I am just in the mood to get my protein in and be done. So this is going to be my last meal of the day. Hello everyone, it's Monday. I'm having my typical breakfast, 40 grams of center-cut bacon, 2 fried eggs, 1 ounce of Fiesta brand cheese fried in a pan, 1 cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with orange vanilla meal, and that is going to be my first meal of the day. It's our Halloween party, and I'm having a big salad with peanuts and some pulled pork and broccoli. Good morning, everyone. It's Tuesday. I'm getting ready to start my live chat, and Oliver has made me breakfast, and it looks like I didn't even have to tell him what I wanted, and he made exactly what I have every day. 40 grams of center cut bacon, 2 fried eggs, 1 ounce of fried cheese even, 1 cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt with lemonade Mio. Go Oliver. Thank you, man.
Hey everyone, it's Tuesday night and I am having a special treat. Everybody else got to have some fun foods at a party tonight, and so Dave was nice enough to go down to my favorite restaurant, JCW's, and grab me a big, huge thing of chicken wings and a salad with ranch. So that is what I'm going to have for my last meal of the day. Well, there you have it. Everything I ate this week on a ketogenic way of eating. I hope that it gave you some great ideas on some meals that you might want to try in your own keto meal plan. Don't forget to join our Facebook group. The link is in the About section below. And thanks for hanging out with me. We'll talk to you again soon.